Alright guys, we got a 2016 Toyota Tundra 5.7 V8. It's got a TRD exhaust system, true dual. Factory converters there, and there. Those come down, bolts in right there and right there. Resonators. Move it out the back. It comes out to the side. Right there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. There's the old exhaust. Bolts up there. Comes down, single muffler. Dual in, dual out. Or dual in, single out, actually. Sorry. Power's out, so no sound decibels, but still get the job done. All right, go ahead and back it out. Not too bad. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Done 2016 Toyota Tundra 5.7. The TRD system, true dual.